guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another makeup tutorial for you guys. I know hindi ko to ginagawa masyado. It's because, wala lang, feeling ko lang hindi naman talaga ako para sa ganyan. Pero I posted on Facebook asking you guys what you want to see and you said you want to see a makeup tutorial. So, here it is. This is my take on a very simple Valentine's Day look. Malapit na mag-Valentine's. Bonggang-bongga sa mga may boyfriend dyan. Bonggang-bongga. Enjoy it. Sa mga walang boyfriend, enjoy it as well. Yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys how I did this makeup look. So I already have foundation on my face. I have a foundation routine video. I will leave the link below. I didn't use the same foundation, but you know, same kind of routine, just different foundation. And then I also already filled in my brows. I also have an updated eyebrow routine video, you guys. I will leave the link below on that as well. Then I'm starting off with a primer. I'm using the e.l.f. eyelid primer. So lagay ko lang siya sa aking eyelids and then also on my lower lash line kasi I will put eyeshadow on there later on. And then I'm taking the Sakiraya eyeshadow palette and then taking that really light baby pink color using my pinky. I'm just applying that on my eyelid like so. And then with a blending brush, I'm taking this brown color from the palette and just apply it on my crease. Very lightly lang para hindi masyadong harsh tingnan yung crease natin. And then taking a smaller brush, I'm using the same shade and just defining my outer V like so. And then taking my BYS Contour Trio, I'm just using the blush from the palette and apply it on the center of my lids para may pink na ganap ang ating lids. Here, I'm using a clean blending brush and just blending the outer V. Going back to that baby pink color from our Sakiraya eyeshadow palette, I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eyes to brighten it up a bit. Now onto my favorite eyeliner pen. This is the Sansan waterproof eyeliner pen. I'm just lining my eyes as close to my lash line as possible. Going back to the brown eyeshadow from the Sakiraya palette, I am applying it on my lower lash line pero sa half lang. I didn't apply it like all the way to the inner corner. I am creating a really subtle wing. You know me, I'm all about the subtle wing. Hindi naman kasi ako marunong mag-over wings. So, napaka-subtle lang talaga ng mga wing. And then taking a brown eyeliner, you can use whatever brown eyeliner you have. And then I'm just tight lining my eyes. I'm also applying this on my lower lash line, just on the very outer corner. And then I am applying my powder. I'm using the Nichido final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Yeah, just blend it on my face using this brush that I got from Pretty Angel shop. Now I'm getting ready for mascara. So I'm curling my eyelashes and then I'm applying my mascara right here. I'm using the Loreal voluminous mascara. I'm applying that on my upper and lower lashes. Finish up the face, I'm using again the BYS Contour Trio. This bronzing brush, I think it's bronzing brush, but yeah, this is from Real Techniques. I got this from Pretty Angel shop. I am just slightly bronzing my face like so, and yeah, I really like this brush. It works really well. And then now taking the blush from the same kit, I'm applying it on my cheeks. I was actually having a hard time choosing which one I will use for this look, but I went with this one. This is the Menow Truelips Lip Liner in number 51. This is one of my favorite shades out of the 12. That shade though, I really like this shade. I think it's just perfect for Valentine's Day, you know, like pa-sweet na look. I'm really liking this look. Really simple, really pa-sweet lang. And it's not that hard to do naman, right? But yeah, that's basically it for this look, you guys.